The other way that GeoVax strongly aligns with some of the changes that are going on is the desire to have domestic production of vaccines. And I think the Mpox slash smallpox vaccine is one of the areas where GeoVax is trying to bring that manufacturing back to the U.S. Why don't you explain how it is now and how you would be able to increase the number of suppliers for that and make it in the United States?
So right now, there is a single source supplier worldwide for the vaccine that is approved by both the FDA and WHO. It's utilized to prevent not only Mpox, but also smallpox. In fact, it was developed specifically against smallpox. But smallpox, Mpox, there's horsepox, believe it or not, camelpox. There's a whole family of pox viruses.
Mhm.
And there is a vaccine called modified vaccinia ankara, known as MVA, and that was the vaccine that was originally developed specifically to eradicate the world of smallpox. It works very nicely among pregnant women, children, and also people with weaker or compromised immune systems. So it's exquisitely safe, and it's what allowed the world to eradicate the world of smallpox. But it also is the preferred product because it can be used in all populations against Mpox. So that's very important. Right now, that vaccine is provided by a single supplier worldwide, and that supplier manufactures in Denmark. So it's a non-U.S. source product, but it is the product that the entire world is upon which the entire world is dependent. So there are those shortcomings, not domestic manufacturing. We're reliant on a foreign entity. And in fact, the construction and building of that company's plant, the continuous funding of and purchase of the vaccine are all funded by the U.S. taxpayer. So we think that there are a number of reasons why we have seen within Congress, legislators, leaders in the administration demanding, quite frankly, that we need to move to more domestic manufacturing, be in control of our own manufacturing, and be self-sufficient from that standpoint. GeoVax is transitioning to a new method of manufacturing with MVA that will produce tenfold the amount of product per sort of yield that you get out of it, and actually, believe it or not, has a fivefold decrease in cost. So there's a lot of attributes there. It will also be based in the United States. And from that standpoint, that will enable the U.S. to be totally self-sufficient, bring additional supply source on a global basis. Right now, there's a single source worldwide. That's a monopoly. That's not necessarily that good for everybody. Certain countries cannot even source product today. So we're going to be bringing forward domestic manufacturing and also adding to the supply that is out there, which today, well, the supply is far short of what the demand is just in today's environment.